Juliet stirring her yogurt, and Benjamin feeding himself. Show us, Benjamin. Go ahead, dip your spoon in your bowl.
Hi.
Hi. Come on, show us. This is Benjamin's first time eating yogurt with a spoon himself. He's doing a good job. Yeah! Good job, Benjamin. Yay! And what else is today? Yay! Today's your birthday. You're one. You're one today. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you're getting most of it in your mouth. You are so grown up, Benjamin. My gosh.
Oh, shoot.
What?
Oh, shoot.
You're 2, that's right. Juliet, how old are you?
2.
2. 2.
2.
Close. Yes, you're 2. How old's Benjamin?
1.
1. Yeah, you're right. Good job. We've been working on that one for a while. Back to Benjamin. Anything you want to say? You want to sing? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Benjamin. Happy birthday to you. He's too busy with his yogurt. Okay. Yay, Benjamin!
Happy day.
Happy birthday, that's right. Can you sing for us?
Happy day.
Happy day.